Hello everyone. Today we are taking a close look at a very special assistant that will break the mold in the kitchen, not only heating food but delivering a performance almost like a real oven. The product we will examine is Samsung's microwave oven with the model code MG23DG4524ATTR. The MG prefix in the device's model name is of great importance to us, because this phrase indicates that the oven does not only have a classic microwave function, but also symbolizes that it contains a powerful grill heating element inside. Manufactured in Malaysia, this model stands out with its compact design that can be easily placed on the countertop when its external dimensions are examined. When we open its door, we are welcomed by a 23-liter internal volume, which can be considered quite spacious and absolutely ideal for preparing family-sized portions. Of course, the main element that makes a difference in this device is the interior coating technology. Samsung has included a fully ceramic coating on the interior surface of this model. This special structure shows extraordinary resistance to scratches, does not rust, and most importantly, makes cleaning child's play thanks to its smooth texture. Since grease stains splashing from meals do not stick to the surface, you can easily clean it just by wiping it with a damp cloth. Now, if you wish, let's take a closer look at the control panel where the main skills of the device are hidden. There are three basic cooking choices welcoming us on the panel. The first of these, the microwave mode, is your greatest helper at hand for fast heating processes and basic cooking routines. Right next to this mode, there is an independent grill function. Thanks to this, you can activate the heating element at the top to brown the top of your food beautifully or prepare delicious toasts. However, my absolute favorite mode of this oven is definitely the combo setting where the microwave and grill functions are carried out together. When this mode is selected, both microwave waves and the upper grill heating element start working simultaneously. In this way, while the inside of your meal cooks quickly and stays soft with microwave waves, the outside reaches a crispy texture thanks to the grill. They have completely eliminated that dowiness or drying problem frequently encountered in meals cooked in standard microwaves with this combo mode. The capabilities of the device are not limited only to these cooking modes. Wonderful smart buttons that greatly facilitate daily life have also been included in the panel. For example, thanks to the automatic cooking auto cook menu, you can cook the most popular dishes automatically with a single touch, without having to think about any time or power level. A practical dessert function, home dessert, has been developed for sudden sweet cravings. This mode prepares your recipes like cake or pudding in the exact consistency they should be. You can take advantage of the quick defrost feature to thaw foods taken out of the freezer without spoiling the natural structure of the food. If you cooked the meal ahead of time but the serving time has not yet arrived, this is not a problem either. Thanks to the keep warm mode, you can preserve your food in a stable way at the ideal serving temperature without drying it out. If you ask what will happen after heating fish or a heavily spiced meal, a koku guiderm deodorization mode has been added to eliminate odors that seep into the oven. The moment you run this function, the air inside is quickly evacuated out, thus preventing different food odors from mixing with each other in the next use. There is also a detail not forgotten for families with small children at home: a safe child lock mode, which becomes active when you press and hold the relevant area on the panel for about 3 seconds, has been integrated into the system. At the bottom of the control panel, there is a very ergonomic rotary dial key. Through this dial, you can perform time and weight selections in an extremely precise manner. By using the stop or clock button right below it, you also have the chance to practically add 30 seconds to your cooking times. To summarize briefly, with its stylish and modern design, durable ceramic interior cavity, practical smart menus, and most importantly, the combo mode that blends microwave with real grill performance, this device offers much more than a standard microwave oven to the user.